Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to Lyceum. Today, I'm here again with another video of article. But this time, I have decided to settle the pronunciation first before jumping into the rules. We have already learned that there are three articles in English. They are a, an, and the. Today, we are going to focus on the pronunciation of the article a. Simply as an alphabet, how is it pronounced? We hear its various pronunciations like a, or a. অর্থাৎ আমরা এটাকে অনেকভাবে উচ্চারণ করে থাকি, যেমন a, অথবা a. Most of us know that it is pronounced as a. So we have to unlearn this very thing today because this is not a. This is a. This is not a straight sound a. Rather, this is a waved sound a. Now the question is, as an article, how to pronounce it. Are you going to say, I want to read a book? Or I want to read a book? Which one is correct? The answer is, both are correct according to different situations. Let me clarify that a is the full form and a is the reduced form. Now the question is, when is it pronounced as a? The answer would be most of the time. অর্থাৎ শতকরা 98% ক্ষেত্রে আমরা এটাকে a এভাবে উচ্চারণ করে থাকি. For example, I want to read a book, I need a pen, I have a laptop, it's all a. Then the next question would be, when is it pronounced as a? The answer would be very rarely. Definitely, there are some situational contexts where it is pronounced as a. Number one would be to emphasize the number 1. Suppose you said to your friend that I need a pen. In response, your friend gave you 5. Then, to clarify, you might say, I was looking for a pen. অর্থাৎ যখন পুরো প্রাধান্যটাই আমি আর্টিকেলের উপর দিচ্ছি, তখন আমি এটাকে এইভাবে উচ্চারণ করছি. The next one would be when speaking becomes the result of conscious and concerned thinking. That means when people are in a thinking mode. অর্থাৎ প্রত্যেকটা শব্দ উচ্চারণ করার আগে যখন আমরা খুব সচেতনভাবে চিন্তা করে বলি. For example, well, we might say that this is a particular situation where, in such context, our a would be a prominent one. So that's all for today. See you next week with another lesson. Till then, take care and keep learning. Thank you.